In this video, we will show you how to make a mixed steel concrete section. We want to encase an edge profile into a concrete section, looking like this. Let's start over by deleting the current section so that we have a blank project to start from. The first thing I'm going to do is add an HEB section. So I'm opening the steel library and I'm typing HEB 240. This section has a standard steel quality. And next we are going to add the concrete rectangle. So I'm moving over to the rectangle tool. And we make a rectangle with a width of 300 and with a height also of 300, which is larger than our current H section. And the material is concrete. C2530. Okay. Now we are going to place the HEB section into the rectangle. If you click the HEB section, you see there are points lighting up at the corners. So these are handles, and you can just grab the section by one of its handles and move it anywhere you like. So this seems like a good position. And I'm going to put the current section in center of the screen. As you can clearly see, the concrete is in front of the steel and we really want to move it to the back. So I'm going to select the concrete, click once with the right mouse button, and I have an appearing menu which allows me to send the section to the back. From the shading over here, we see that there's still something wrong. Behind the H section there is still concrete. So to take this away, we should first make a hole in the concrete and then place the steel profile in it. You can do this very easy in the section utility. So I'm going to select the steel profile, click once with the right mouse button. Again, a menu appears, and here we can choose to remove the underlying concrete. The shading is now gone and the section is properly defined. You can also verify this by moving the H section, and as you clearly see, there is a cutout in the concrete. So I'm going to put this back. Depending on the default material that is chosen, all properties here on the right side are calculated in accordance with this material. You can check the default material by double-clicking one of the sections and going to material. Here the default material is set to steel, so a correction factor will be used for all other materials in this section. Now we can illustrate this by choosing another default material, for example the concrete, and you will see that all the properties on this side will change in value. Please note that this kind of steel concrete sections can be used in diamonds in an elastic way. It means that you get the bending moments, the normal forces, the shear forces, the reactions, the deformations and the stresses. However, a check according to Eurocode 4 is not implemented.